I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Audi car jack step by step. Start by parking on level ground, set the parking brake, and chock opposite wheels. Gather the jack, lug wrench, and spare tire, and inspect the jack for damage. Locate the manufacturer jack point under the vehicle, remove the hubcap or wheel cover if needed, and slightly loosen lug nuts before raising the car with steady, even pressure. Once the safety steps are done, position the jack properly before lifting. Find the factory jack point near the wheel, place the jack on solid ground, and align the saddle with the lift spot on the pinch weld or subframe. Make sure the jack sits straight and stable, then pump or crank slowly to take up slack until the saddle contacts the vehicle firmly. Do not lift until the lug nuts are loosened and the area is clear of tools. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great to set hands-free timers, play instructional audio, or keep music on while you change a tire. It also fits in a glove box. If you like this practical tip and the step-by-step guidance, please subscribe and like to help more people learn basic car skills. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Raise the car carefully, watching stability and limiting lift to clear the tire by a few inches. Remove the lug nuts completely and pull the wheel straight off, storing the nuts safely. Mount the spare or replacement wheel, hand thread lug nuts, then lower the car until the new tire just touches the ground. Tighten lug nuts in a star pattern gradually to the recommended torque, lower fully, and recheck torque after a short drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.